decent price. I almost need sunglasses on right there.
Denver, you know what those lights are for?
Turn signals? I don't know.
Those are clearance lights.
Clearance lights. All right. All right, here we go, trackside. Scott Patterson. Taking it right down there to the end right there. Skip's got a nice round of applause. Figure out what they want to do with the sled, if they want to leave her like it's supposed to be, if they want to change the settings on her. Sir. All right, well, a couple of people you'd like to thank.
Oh yeah, well, that's a pretty tough competition. I had all my hands full.
Hang on, we'll get right to you. Good run on the Ellis. All right, once again, sir.
I say I had my hands full.
All right, Green fans, here you go. Where are the Green fans tonight? Oh, be loud and be proud. Here we go. Good enough.
I got the wrong guy. This is Brandon Moneybreak. Oh, there he is. This is a 4430 John Deere, sponsored by Patriot Farms. These Patriots walking around here someplace. Brandon Dean's grandson, I do believe. Back road deer, they call it. That's Dean's place, and he sure lives on a back road.
Oh, the turbo's chirping. Thanks, Brandon, for coming out. Now you see he's a little smaller in the saddle.
Many good, massive Ferguson dealers around the country. Of course, they're now part of AGCO Corporation.
So what used to be red is now orange, isn't it?
And now we have no more orange, and it's all red again.
It's all red again? You betcha. Like Gary said, a lot of good Massey dealers around there. A lot of good Masseys still on the farm doing a job, and you see a lot of them on the track. Just to drop a name, Carlton Cope. Anybody knows that name? There you are. All right, fans, let's turn our attention trackside.
Two more to go in this class after this Massey road. This tractor ran here last year, and if I remember correctly, he laid down one good run. Sure tough sledding tonight. Turbocharged the D21, and then they were set in place. And they built that tractor through 1968.
All right, fans, trackside, here we are. The 90 tractor sales. Sponsor the class. Right there, within 15 foot of the beach right there.
Tough to get numbers for an indoor pull in the middle of the winter. Here he goes, Darren Bomber.
Tractor Now the distance to beat so far at 204 and 5, 204 and 5. Mids, what do you think? As you pass the 204 and 5 mark, what are you thinking here? Yes or no? No? I get a thumbs down. We don't think so. Uh-oh. Well, track's about 230 foot long. We'll have to find out. You're open now. You're wearing that green hat. Is that right?
Denver, this is Scott Patterson. They changed the boat a little bit, so he's making his official run.